Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Building a landing page with CAD is one of the fastest and most efficient ways to establish an online presence. Its intuitive visual builder allows you to create professional single-page websites without any coding knowledge. This updated step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the entire process from creating your first site to publishing it with advanced features. Now the first step here is to create a CAD account and start a new site. Just to sign up, you'll need to open your favorite browser. I have Google Chrome open in here. Just go to the CAD website in here and you'll need to search for CAD like this and then enter. Now sign up for a free account. A free account lets you build up to 3 sites. For more advanced features like custom domains, forms, and a custom code, you will need to upgrade to a pro account. Now go ahead and choose a template. After logging in, click New Site. CAD will present you with a gallery of templates categorized by purpose, that is profile, landing, portfolio, etc. For templates, template gives you a pre-built structure and design. This is the fastest way to get started. Blank canvas. If you want to build from scratch, select starting point under the blank category. For this tutorial, let's select a simple landing page template. Look for one with a clear headline and a call to action button, as this is the core of any good landing page. Now let's get to the second step, which is to customize your content and layout. Once you have selected a template, you will be taken to the CAD builder. The builder has a visual canvas in the center and a right hand sidebar for all your settings. Now just to change the background, click the background icon. This is this paint brush in the bottom right corner. Here you can choose a color, gradient, image, video, or slideshow. If you choose an image or video, make sure it's high quality and relevant to your brand. You can also adjust the style, e.g. fade, fit, fill, and the filter to change the opacity and color of the background. Now, we also need to edit the headline and text. This is how to do that. Click on the headline text on your canvas. The text panel will appear on the right. Just type in your headline. Just make it concise and benefit oriented. Use the style tab to change the font, size, and color. You can repeat this process for any text on the page, such as subheadings or even any paragraphs. Now go ahead and also customize the button, that is the call to action button CTA. Click on the button on your canvas. The button panel will appear. We have label. Change the text on the button, e.g. learn more, get started, sign up now. We also have URL. Enter the link where you want to send your visitors. This could be a contact form, an external website, or a section on the same page. We also have style. Customize the button's shape, color, and size to make it stand out. Should be the most visually prominent element on the page after the headline. Now you can go ahead and add new elements. Click the plus icon in the bottom right corner to add a new element. CAD offers a wide range of elements, including images, videos, icons, dividers, forms, and timers. This is a pro tip to it. Use containers to group related elements. This helps with organization and ensures a clean layout. For example, you can place a heading, a paragraph, and a button inside a single container. We also have this third step, which is now to configure your site settings. The global settings for your site are found in the left-hand sidebar here. Layout and structure. Click the settings cog icon here in the top right corner. Here you can adjust the overall layout of your site, including the position of the content, the width, and the spacing. We also have a mobile view. Click on the mobile icon in the top of the builder to see how your site looks on a mobile device. CAD is mobile responsive by default, but you should also always check and make adjustments to ensure the best user experience. We also have title and description. Go back to the settings cog and click on the title and description tab. For title, this is what appears in the browser tab. Description, this is a brief description of your site that will be used for search engines, that is the SEO. We also have metadata and SEO, which is a pro feature. With a pro account, you can add a custom title, description, and a social image to control how your site appears when shared on platforms like social media. Now, the other step And the fourth step is to publish your landing page. Once your page looks exactly how you want it, it's time to publish it. Click the publish button in the top right corner of the builder. Now choose a name and URL. For the name, this is the internal name of your site within your CAD dashboard. For the URL, choose a subdomain for your site, e.g. your site.cad.co. If you have a pro account, you can also select publish to a custom domain and enter your own domain name. Now go ahead and publish the site. Click the publish button again and view your site. You can now click view site to see your live landing page in action. These are some of the common mistakes to avoid. Too much text. Landing pages should be concise, get to the point quickly, and use bullet points or short paragraphs. Also, too many CTS, that is call to actions. Don't confuse your visitors with multiple buttons. Focus on one clear call to action. Low quality images as well. Blurry or pixelated images look unprofessional. Always use high resolution images that are optimized for the web. CAD automatically optimizes them for you, but they must be good to start with. Also, neglecting mobile view. Always double check your site on mobile. More than half of all internet traffic comes from mobile devices, so this is a crucial step. Also, vague headline. Your headline should immediately tell the visitor what you do or what problem you solve. Now that's it. By following this tutorial, you can quickly and easily build a professional landing page that effectively communicates your message and activates and achieves your goals. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.